Alright, I'm gonna do a knife sharpening video for this one. I'm gonna use this Work Sharp by Kin Onion here, and I'm gonna use this grinder attachment. For today's knife, we are going to be sharpening this one right here, the mini grip. So in my last video, this one was not sharp, so we're gonna do a quick sharpening. This knife here, this is my Mini Griptilian. In my last video, you noticed that this knife has been over a year. It's not as sharp anymore. Well, sharp enough still cut me, but it's not sharp like when I first got it. I'm gonna use this Work Sharp sharpener here, and this is the Kin Onion edition. And I have this since last June, so this June will be a year since I have this thing, and it's pretty good. I use it mainly for kitchen knife and other knife, but I have not sharpened my Benchmade Mini Griptilian yet, so this will be the first time I'm gonna sharpen it. And you guys see this before, like it's pretty easy to use. There's a degree angle guide here. You can turn it, the markers on top, so it'd be like, here's 15 degree, 20 degrees right here. Most of the time for a pocket knife, 20 degree would do. For a Benchmade, is the inclusive angle they would say is between 30 to 35. So you can look at it as either 15 or 17.5 per angle. But if every day you're just maintaining it, 20 would do. So you can start off with 20 degree, and then you put it on here like this, and you pull it. The only problem with this, if you notice, is it's pretty shallow, I guess, not deep enough. When you go in too deep, you end up chancing of scratching your knife. You can twist this to clear it, but still it's not as I hope. For a kitchen knife, it's easier. You can grab it on like this and then pull it out, stop at the point, and go. So for this knife, what I'm going to be using is the attachment. Now this attachment lets you freehand, and you get to pretty much go through the whole entire knife blade. So you can set your angle here. So let's say if I want to do 20, it'd be right here. Unlock the nut over here. Remove this piece. There you go. This piece will go on top. Sorry, doing behind the camera here. There you go, and just like that, put my belt on and push this back down, go in like so. Of course, I need to lock that up real quick. This way. And then this piece, you can push it, slowly taut. See? Now this will be like this. You turn it on, here's your 90 degree. You bring it up, and you pull the way through. You stop, and go. And then flip, reset, back, go. Alright, so before I go sharpen the knife, I have to show you the before sharpening. And take a look. Try again. Pretty sad. All right, here. Oops. Look how jagged it is. Try again. If I saw it, I'm gonna do 17.5. That's what the marker is set to. So let's go. All right, I'm gonna try to do this quick. The mosquito's getting me already. This is the 65 belt. We're gonna do a 65, and we have the 22 belt right here, and then we're gonna finish it off with the X4 belt. All right. So push this back, go in like so. Like so. And stretch out. Oh, mosquitoes getting me like crazy. Alright, I tried to sharpen this knife and let's take a look. Let's try it out. Well, it's better, huh? Well, there you go. Not bad. I guess I should do a couple more passes, but I don't want to. I didn't want to go crazy on it. Plus, the mosquito's crazy. Look at this. It got me here. Got me in the face. So I'll try it again when with no mosquito. So pretty much like this, like level, up, run across, stop. See? But overall, it's much easier with this freehand. I like the guide one too. That one's easier for a longer knife. For short knife like this one with this edge here, it's hard. Let me grab it all this over here. We got this piece here. Yeah, because you see, it doesn't go all the way in. So depending on the knife. All right, that's it. Just want to show you that I finally sharpened this knife.